Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Megan, and if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so happy that you clicked. Be sure to hit subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you always know when I have uploaded video. I'm getting super consistent, guys. There's a lot of videos that I've posted already. So if you've got some time to kill, some time to burn, be sure to click some of my old videos. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Let me know what you love. Let me know what you hate. I absolutely want to know. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. I truly appreciate your support. And this video is for you guys because this was highly requested. So let's go. First things first, I think this is really important to say to protect the integrity of the video. This is not a sponsored video. Lori Harvey and her team did not send me any products to try and review. I wish they did because these products were not necessarily inexpensive. So I spent my own hard-earned money on this. I tried it myself. So you know I'm gonna tell you guys the real story. I typically do not like celebrity skincare lines or celebrity anything because I really just feel like it's a money grab. And honestly, that was my very first thought when I heard that Lori Harvey was coming out with a skincare line. I'm like, yeah, she has amazing skin, but she's also like the it girl right now. She's giving young black fabulosity. She needs to capitalize on her fame and all this press while she's hot. So I think coming out with a skincare line is brilliant. She's obviously trying to create her own empire. I feel like I support people that I don't need to be supporting. I buy products from brands that do nothing for us and our community. So I'm like, you know what? If I can give them money, I can give Lori Harvey my money. So I did. I'm always down to try something new. So Lori girl, you got me. Lori Harvey's skincare line, which is SKN, it's SKN. It is a 5-step treatment process. So on the website, they do sell the bundle, which is just the one box with the 5 products, or you can buy them individually. I bought it on the first drop, and when I first bought it, I only bought 3 products. Then I went back and purchased 2. So I don't know if the packaging is different if you buy the 1 package of 5. I'm assuming it is. I'm assuming you get 1 box of 5 products. All of mine got sent just regular, randomly in a bag. Actually, this bag, but it just came in like a regular, like flimsy bubble wrap, which was a little concerning for me because I was like, this is not stable, this is not durable. And again, these products were not necessarily inexpensive. So I just felt like, okay, like this is how we're sending products. And also it is a little concerning because the niacinamide cream, the box actually came a little busted. I was kind of like, oh, okay. The packaging is like a hard, glassy plastic. I don't know the technical term. You can hear like it sounds like that. It's hard, gorgeous bottles. I'm always about that. And they feel heavy, they feel good, they're beautiful, they're a nice blue color. They look really, really beautiful in your bathroom, which I'm guessing that was all intentional by design. It kind of looks like your home is a spa. So I really, really like the bottles. They're very nice. Step 1 is the Goji Berry Cleanser. Step 2 is the White Tea Toner. Step 3 is the Vitamin C Serum. Step 4 is the Peptide Eye Cream. And step 5 is the Niacinamide Cream. Okay, so this is step 1, the Goji Berry Cleanser. It has a really nice scent. It smells like fancy, like it smells like you're at the spa. It smells like soap, like a nice soap, but it is a really nice scent. I like the bottle, I like the little pump that it has, very cute. It says right on the bottle, this Goji Berry Cleanser is designed to wash away impurities, makeup, and excess oils. Gentle enough for all types of skin. Well, unfortunately, I did not feel like this cleanser was really cleansing. I was scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing, and it just really doesn't suds up that much. I don't feel like there's any type of exfoliation happening. I really didn't feel like my makeup was coming off. After I washed my face with this thoroughly, I then used a cleansing pad and I wiped it on my face, and I still had so much makeup on my face. So for this to be a $38 cleanser, I just don't think that its performance is strong enough. If you don't wear makeup, or if you don't really have like a skincare routine, maybe you'll like it, but I think for like hardcore makeup wearers, if you're coming back from the gym, if you live in a warm climate and maybe you've been like kind of sweating all day and you just really want to wash your face really well, I don't think this is it. Personally, I think that's a lot of money for a low performing cleanser. My favorite way to wash my face, I'm just gonna go here. It's this Biore charcoal wash. This is like under $10, and when I cleanse my face with this, I feel like everything coming off, all the makeup, all the sweat, all the impurities, just everything. I feel like my skin is getting a real thorough cleanse. If you are going to spend $38 for a Goji berry cleanser, I'm sorry, I just want more from it. Again, I just didn't feel like it was actually doing anything. I didn't feel like it was cleansing my skin. I didn't feel like my skin was getting clean. Let me know in the comments what you guys expect from your cleanser. Like, am I expecting too much? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Okay, step number 2, the white tea toner. This is $35 and it comes out, it's like this. It's like you spray your face. Actually, I do like that. Here is my beef with this toner. Once I sprayed my face with it, I feel like it left this weird sticky film on my face. Like when I touched my face, it felt sticky. And I didn't like that. I felt like right after I used this toner, I wanted to wash it off completely. I'm also a little concerned that if you have sensitive skin, I do not have sensitive skin, but if you have sensitive skin, I'm concerned about the possibility for a breakout, because I just don't know if your skin is gonna be able to handle that little film that's left behind. My skin could handle it. I didn't break out. I didn't have any issues, but I could see more sensitive skin types potentially having an issue. I don't know. But I really do not like this toner because I want my skin, when I'm washing it, I want it to feel clean and fresh. And this made my skin feel like icky. So the toner it's a pass. It's a no. It's a no. Okay, so step 3, the vitamin C serum. This was a win for me. So the vitamin C serum is $50 for 1 ounce. And honestly, while yes, $50 is a lot of money, some of the other brands, like for example, like Drunk Elephant, that's probably like one of the most famous vitamin C serums, theirs is like around $80, maybe a little less, like $75, $78. So I think to spend $78 for that and then $50 for this, I think it's competitively priced. Let me know in the comments what you think about the pricing for Lori Harvey's products, but 50 bucks, it's 1 ounce. You really don't need a lot. Actually, I love the bottle. So the bottle comes with this really cute like pump. So when you take it out, you apply it like this. You press down on the pump and there's the product. And it just comes out like that. And you just put it on your face. It really does absorb very well into your skin. It does not leave a weird residue. It feels really good, really clean, really soft. And I honestly do think that I'm seeing the brightening effects. I love vitamin C serums. I think they're so good for hyperpigmentation. I like to wear vitamin C during the day, and then at night I use like a Retin A prescription strain. So during the day, I'm really, really serious about my vitamin C. And I have to say, Lori, this vitamin C serum, I like it. It's a win. Step 4, the peptide eye complex. So full disclosure, I've never in my entire life worn an eye cream. My mom wears an eye cream and she's been doing it for a while and she looks great. So I'm like, maybe I should start doing it. I really wasn't going to buy this. And then I decided, since her products are meant to be used in unison as a system, I was like, okay, I'll do it. Honestly, I do like the eye cream. I feel like my eyes are definitely a lot softer. I haven't been wearing it that long. Like I said, it's been just like a little bit under a month, but I do feel like they're softer. And I feel like a tiny bit, like the bags and the dark circles are like very, very, very slowly kind of disappearing. So I'm like, ooh, maybe I will keep using an eye cream. Like I said, I've never used an eye cream before. Let me know in the comments if you guys use eye creams. It's never been a part of my skincare routine, but I like this. I might be interested in buying this again. This was a winner for me. And now we are at the final step of the program. This is the niacinamide cream. It is the final step. It is step 5 in the system. And you just put it all over your skin. It has a very, very, very faint smell. I smell something, but it's really faint, which I think is great because if you have sensitive skin, I don't have sensitive skin, but if you have sensitive skin, my guess would be you probably won't break out because it's usually all those weird fragrance and things that cause you to break out. Since this doesn't really have it, it's probably safe for sensitive skin. I'm not a dermatologist. Don't hold me accountable for that, but this is just my opinion. I think you'll be good. This is what's gonna give you that dewy, glowy look. You're gonna look a little shiny, you're gonna look hydrated. For me, I like that look. I tend to have drier skin. My skin is actually combination skin, but it does skew on the drier side. So when I'm wearing this, I do just look really, really hydrated and moisturized. On the flip side, if you have oily skin, I can see this being a little problematic for you. You might look a little greasy, so like just be careful with that. Dry skin, you'll be fine. Combination skin, you'll be fine. If you have oily skin, just be really careful to not put too much. I think a little shine is okay. I think a little mist is okay, but I think greasy is a no. So just be careful. Do I feel like I need to buy that niacinamide cream? Not really, but I'm not mad at it. This is what I use. Regular sweet almond oil, and it looks like this. It's oil. I put this on my face and it does the same thing. I have another critique for these products. I'm actually really shocked, like for Lori to say that she's super into skincare and has been for a long time, that these products do not contain any type of SPF. Especially considering that one of the steps in the system is vitamin C. You really should not be putting vitamin C on your face and going out into the daylight without SPF. Like that is just not good. And especially after you've used a goji berry cleanser, you're using a white tea toner, and then vitamin C. I mean, to go out in the sunlight without SPF after your skin has been exposed like that is like a disaster waiting to happen. Actually, this niacinamide cream, I think would actually be better as like a sunscreen or something with some type of SPF. Like this is just not good, because now that I've gone through the 5-step system, I now have to put on my own SPF. So if Lori is taking this seriously, like if this isn't a money grab and if she's really serious about skincare, she should either like incorporate something with SPF or have a whole new product with SPF. This is actually what I use. It is super cheap. Again, I think it might be 10 bucks. It is Garnier Fructis. This is like so cheap, and even this has SPF 30 in it. So I just feel like at this price point, and if Lori's trying to brand this as like, you know, a luxury skin line, I just feel like for it to not have any SPF in it is just really irresponsible and shows that maybe this isn't serious. I don't know. I don't want to speak for her, but I do want you guys to know that if you are serious about your skincare, you need to be wearing an SPF every single day. Hopefully if Lori continues this, she fixes that. So I know her products are for your face, but if she is serious about skincare and maybe expanding the brand, I would love to see maybe like a body oil from her. Okay, don't laugh at me. I've been using this body oil forever. It is the African Hot 6 oil. People always go in on me for wearing this, but let me tell you, it smells so good. It goes on the skin so smoothly. I am obsessed with this African Hot 6 oil. I wouldn't mind seeing Lori come out with something similar, shimmery, that like smells really good, that keeps your skin hydrated. Again, I know she's just doing the face right now. If she's really serious about skincare, this would be awesome. I will say, I like that it's a system. I like that there's a cleanser and then a toner and then vitamin C and then an eye cream and then a niacinamide face cream. My issue is the performance. The cleanser didn't really cleanse. The toner left my face sticky icky. The vitamin C was great. The eye cream, it's my first time using it. I thought it was pretty good. The niacinamide cream, while I like it, I think that there are other things that you can do to achieve the same result at a fraction of the cost. I can't say that I can honestly recommend the system as a whole collectively. There are definitely some high points, but the lows are really low to me. And at that price point, I just have greater expectations. I love Lori. I love what she's doing. I love that she's trying to capitalize on her fame. It looks beautiful. They feel great. They appear to be high quality. So I feel like, okay, that's good. She didn't just put something wild out there. But again, the performance is a little shaky. I will also give her the benefit of the doubt. Maybe as time goes on, the products will improve. Hopefully we get some SPF in the products. So I'm not going to be too harsh on her, but I did want to give this review for those of you that are interested and just wanted an honest opinion. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate the support. Don't forget to like this video because it really does help with the algorithm. Leave me a comment. Let me know. Are you guys going to drop $195 for Lori Harvey's skincare line? Do you think it's worth $195? Do you think maybe you'll buy products separately? I want to know. Let me know in the comments.